most of the diseases, 80% of the diseases, it's all man-made. We invent or we invite by spending a lot of money on it. Not a single disease will not come unless you have to buy the disease by spending not less than 5 to 10 lakhs minimum. So, to cure this, if you don't properly take care of your budget, sometimes the entire savings of his career has to spend to save that person. Just lack of proper knowledge. I think most of you people are working in corporates. I think you understand better about the insurance. See, the insurance cost, I keep saying everywhere, the cost is a cup of coffee. If you can able to spend that much money, that means cup, even if you take 5 rupees in the morning and 5 rupees in the evening, that comes 10 rupees a day. 365 days, it comes 3,650 rupees. If you spend for insurance 2-3 lakhs every year, you don't need to worry. Sometimes suddenly if you want to pay 2 lakh rupees for a hospital bill, that means it may be 3 to 4 years of your own savings. So these things we need to put into everybody's mind, so that the flaw in insurance is some people think if I pay, I may not be covered for all the diseases, which is not a fact. If you get the disease, you go and take a policy, then they will not cover. And some of the people, they pay the insurance for 5 years, 6 years, they don't get disease. They feel very bad. I haven't got the disease, I wasted a lot of my 5 years' money. So, they don't feel happy that I haven't got the disease. Doesn't matter, I lose 3,000, 4,000. You buy a vehicle, you insure. You build a house, you insure. You travel, you insure. You will travel your own bags in the airport, you will insure. But we don't insure for our own health. And there are certain things which doesn't cost. You can identify the diseases a bit early, which lack of proper understanding. Like there are families who are the most few killers today are the cervical cancer, the breast cancer, the gastric cancer. If you every day, if you can palpate your own breast, doesn't cost anything, you can identify in the early stage. If you identify, it doesn't cost for the hospital bill not even 20,000-30,000. Once in a year, if everybody travels to the hospital, you get it done a cervical smear which costs about 350 rupees. Total cervical cancer can be eradicated, which is done by United States of America. Irrespective, any woman enters into the hospital, it's a mandatory that they should undergo for a cervical smear. So like that, there are certain things where we understand, we propagate our health so that we need not worry about the health. There are today in the worldwide, any patient who admits in the hospital, by the time he gets discharged, 40% of the discharged patients fall into below poverty line. After the discharge, before the admission, they will be above middle class. The reason is by paying the hospital bills. For that, you need to go for this insurance.